Hello, today I will show you how to quickly install k3s environment on Raspberry Pi cluster using Ansible playbook. But first of all, let's check system requirements for this action. So you see C group memory 1 and C group enable equals memory added to boot CMD line and reboot performed on each remote node. And I will show you this in a moment. Ansible user added to each remote node. Ansible user added to sudo will admins group and sudo will or admins group set in etc sudo to perform command with elevated privileges. So these three last requirements are for Ansible, and the first one is for k3s because thanks to this it will be able to run smoothly and there will be no problem, and it is a requirement mentioned by k3s. So let's go to CLI, and here we go. CM4, I will show this only on a one machine. So first of all, we have to check cat the boot cmd line.txt, but with sudo, and yes, at the end I have a C group underscore memory equals 1 and C group underscore enable equals memory. So this is the first requirement. Next requirement, ID Ansible. So the user is added, and you can see also it is added to admins group. And now grep with sudo, of course, grep admins in etc sudoers file, and you can see admins all and admins without password, no passwd set, and this way we can achieve our goal. So this is everything what you need to know, and these settings that you can see exactly in this CM4 remote host, they are set also on worker 1 and worker 2, these two remote hosts. And CM4 is my master server, and worker 1 and worker 2 are workers. Let's go to Ranger Synology. Here I have Ansible installed, and let's check my inventory first before we will proceed. So sudo cat and etc Ansible hosts, and here we go. We have this. This is YAM format, so all children and set. Master here is a group, and workers is also a group, and then the same pattern in group master hosts, and then define master node. So this is for future, just because in future I would like to have more than one master node with k3s, and I will present how to achieve this goal. But today we have only one master, and you can see host is set, the IP address is provided, and user Ansible is set. And now workers group hosts and worker node 1 is defined and worker node 2 is defined. This is very important information. And now next thing, cat Ansible directory, and here I have something like k3s Raspberry Pi cluster dot YAML, and this thing is a playbook. And I also provided this playbook on my GitHub, and it will be under the description in my video, so you will be able to use it. And you can see I'm using host master here, so then you exactly know that this is a group defined here, so that is why. And you can see I'm installing k3s on this master node with these parameters. So I'm disabling traffic and service load balancer, and I'm setting 644. And then I'm installing Nginx as ingress controller, and I'm creating a patch file, and after that I'm patching it with kubectl command, and then I'm getting the k3s node token. So k3s token is taking from this path, and this token is loaded into k3s underscore token variable. Let's call it variable. And then you have a group workers. So what is going on here? Here you have a host vars, and you can see master node. So it's picking up exactly this. And so just because we want to pick only one node in this case, so master node, then Ansible host, and thanks this Ansible host, so it's picking up Ansible host, this one from master node. So exactly we'll pick up correct IP address, then the port, and we have also master node, and now you can see something like k3s underscore token and std out, so standard out is performed. I mean, the variable picked up from this file, from node token, from this path, loaded into this k3s token, it will be displayed into standard output. Thanks this, we can then use this command shell get the k3s URL, and k3s token will be loaded. So the token will be loaded from the master, and thanks this, our worker nodes will be able to join the master server. And at the end, you have something like labeling, and this is quite simple because on my master node, after the set the label for each worker, and that's all. So let's run the playbook. Ansible, then dash playbook, then Ansible and k3s Raspberry cluster. Let's do this. And now we have to wait. And that's it. Everything is installed. You're wondering, okay, how can I check it? Go to your master node and then clear the screen and kubectl get nodes, just like that. They are ready and they are working. Let's check pods. So instead of nodes, get pod and then -a. What is going on here? Everything is up and running, no restart, and Ingress and Greeks is working, and moreover metric server, core DNS, everything is working as expected. Lovely. So we can also check services. So get svc -a. Here we go. Services are running correctly. That's it. If you want to check everything, just get all -a will do the job, and you can see everything is up and running. There is no problem. So we can see our services are running correctly, deployments are running correctly, replica set is working. There is no problem at all, and everything is up and running smoothly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.